Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the surface ready. Cleanliness matters because dirt hides edges and heat works better on a clean surface. Once the strings are loosened or removed, apply steady warm air, hold the hairdryer about 50 to 60 centimeters away for 20 to 30 seconds, then test an edge with a fingernail or plastic pick. You want the adhesive to yield slightly. If it resists, reheat in short bursts. Make sure not to overheat the finish, and proceed when the decal peels. You now lift the softened decal slowly, starting from the edge you warmed. Use a plastic pick or card and pull back flat and low. This reduces the chance of tearing the decal and stressing the finish. Once large pieces are off, switch to adhesive removal. Apply a small amount of 70% isopropyl or a citrus-based solvent on a cloth, not directly on wood, then rub gently. If residue hardens, reheat briefly. Make sure to ventilate the area while you work. Once adhesive is gone, clean the headstock with a microfiber cloth and a small amount of non-abrasive guitar polish. Buff in circular motions until the sheen returns. If you notice dull spots, use a very fine polishing compound sparingly to blend. Test on an inconspicuous area first. If lacquer or veneer starts lifting, stop. Do not continue with solvents or aggressive scraping. At that point, seek a luthier. Addressing lifted finish early.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.